Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to Concepts Academy. Now, we will be looking at the step by step guide to creating a whiteboard animation. Quickly, let us dive into action. And the app we'll be using is the Benimi application. Benimi application, you go straight to your app store or to your Google Play Store to download the app. Now let's go. Just type in your search bar Benimi application. Can you see? The Benimi app is here, and this is the app. This is the app. This is the app. Because I already have it installed on my phone, that is why it is telling me to open. But in your own case, it will tell you to install, so you install. So let's go quickly and let me open from here. Yes, this is the interface. This is the interface of the app. As you can see, I have some projects I have done already. This is 1, this is 2. Those are my projects that I have done already. And this is the free version. If you see in my search bar the other time, you see Benimi Pro. But this is the free version. So you can still use it. As time goes on, as you become professionals, you can decide to go for the Pro version. Now, to start with, to create a project, you click on this plus. You click on this plus. Now, by the time you click on this plus, it opens up a new page for you. Because it's a free version, that's why it's giving me app that I added. That's why it's giving me adverts that I should watch adverts. Now, it's asking me to name the video I want to make. Let's just create it as example, right? So you create video and it brings you here. Before anything, we want to remove this watermark, this Benimi watermark that is here. We want to remove it. If you look at that watermark, you will see that it has a sign, a star sign, which means close. So automatically we are going to close it. We are just going to close it. So let's just click on it and it will close. It will tell us to watch ad exactly. Can you see? If you want to buy the Benimi Pro, that's it. If you want to remove it permanently, that's it. And if you want to watch ad, so that it will remove it from this particular project we are doing. I think my network is not that strong, and that is why it's just rolling. Okay, so you watch reward.
If you play a game where ads keep appearing, delete it. If you play a game that's not with real players, run away, delete it. YJ game has been.
Okay, as you can see, it has removed the watermark, so we can continue. But briefly, let me quickly explain all the icons you are seeing here on the interface. You can see that I already have a board here labeled 1. If I want it to give me another page, this is one page, I will just click on this plus sign, this plus sign. Maybe you might not see it, I've covered it, this plus sign. So it will give me another page. Watch this. Can you see? It has given. So when I now have 1 and I have 2. That is that. If you click on this sticker, this is sticker here. This is sticker. This is sticker. If you click on sticker, it will bring you to a place where you have images. Now, you can add image from your phone. Can you see? For me, if I will just add image, I will come to my images. And if I'm not adding, I can decide to add a jiffy. Look at it. Like I said before, I think my network is not very strong, and that's why it's not coming up. Okay, can you see? It's bringing me to my. So if you also want animation, if you want something like that, this is it. So it says I should browse. So all of these, you can see it's telling me recent images that I have used. I used this one earlier today. Now it's giving me images of casual mail. Maybe I want to use a casual mail. Yes. So, oh, this one is telling us to buy the pro version. Then if you want a corporate male, if you want a corporate female, and all of that. So I believe we have seen that. We move to text. With text, you can type in whatever you want to type. You just click and you're able to type in whatever you want to type. That being said, we move to BG. We move to BG. This is BG. This is BG. This is BG. This is BG. So with BG, that is background. You can be able to change your background. If I click on it now, it will tell me to select either color or image. If I select color, I have access to other colors. If I want to get variety of color, I click on custom, and it brings me to this, and I can cancel. Then if I want it, like, let's go back to it. If I want to select an image, probably I have an image at the back of my mind that I want to use for the background. It's just for me to come and to set my images, and I'll pick from wherever I have stored the image. Now, if this, we said whiteboard animation. Now, and you know, one of my explanation is when you use hand to sketch. That is why we have this hand symbol. You have different types of hands here. You have different types of hands. You can decide to use any type of hand that you please. Let's take, for example, let's type something. Now we say, welcome to this free class. Now you have entered, you insert it. Now if you come to this place, where is the hand? You come to the hand. Let's assume you pick this and you want to preview your work. You come. Can you see? The hand is writing for you. Let's assume you want to change the hand. You come, you pick this, and you see, you preview, and the hand is writing for you. So that is that on the hand. Can you see? You have different types of hands, and probably you don't want any hand. You just want it to write. That one is there for you as well. So it will just write on its own, where you don't want them to see the hand. Then for the music, this is music. This is music. You can decide, when you click this, you can decide to get music either from your phone, where you have your tracks ready, or you can do a voiceover where you click on this and you speak, you talk whatever you want to talk. So that is that on music. We are not done yet. So here, when you're done with every abracadabra you want to do, you come to this place, you save. When you click save, it will ask you, do you want to save as a movie project? You click yes. You click what? You click yes. Then at the end, when you're done with your job, everything, and you want the app to render your movie, you click on this, then it starts rendering it. So gradually, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly do an example. I'm only going to welcome us into this class. Okay, so quickly, like I said, let's just quickly do one or two things. Oh, even during the class, I forgot to tell us that to make your work look good, your video animation, make sure it is not too long and make sure it is not too short. That's why you need an outline to plan your work. Now, let's start. I want to give it a background. I'm still going to use a color background. Let me use a blue color background. Let's use this blue, or let's use this blue. Select. Now, I want us to use all of these icons. So what we're going to do is, let's pick a sticker. I want us to use the one I've used before. It's telling me recent. Okay, recent, because I used it before. So let's bring it here. Now look at this. Let me quickly show you this. You see this line here, this line that I am pointing to, this line is meant to enlarge or reduce anything on your canvas there. Now look at it. As I move it enlarges. As I move it back, it reduces. As I move, it enlarges. As I move it back, it reduces. So let's position this. Then let me enlarge it so that it can fill my canvas. Now this is it. Like I said also, you must plan your work. This is it. So to make your work interesting, I always love it. You can also do the same or whatever you want, to always put animation with this, like a power power icon. You can put all the animations you want to put. This is the power icon I'm talking about. All the animations you want to put, you will find them there. Now let's click on it. While we have still highlighted our image here, you click on it, then you can see default animations. They are here. I love to always use, I don't know why I love this flip Y. Now with this, let's preview what we have done. Now don't let it run too much while it's coming in, so we can increase from here. You can do a delay, but I don't advise you do delay because it will make your video slow, except if actually you want it to be slow. Then the duration, now it will determine how long that scene or that particular thing you're doing will take. If it's something that will take a long period to bring it, like slow motion and all the rest, so this is where you do that. Then if you want it to pause, for how long? So I want this one to run in for like 4 seconds. That's in seconds. Now close it. Let's do a preview of what we have done. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So that is fine. Now the next thing on that page, we still have our floor. You do a text. Like I said, I just want to welcome us. So we'll say welcome. Welcome to this community of great minds. Welcome, then you insert. Now, like I said, this line is to enlarge or to reduce. I want to enlarge. Now, this, you can see the alignment icons here, to the left, to the right, or to the center. Now I want to bring this right up to the center. So let's put it here. Let's put it here. Welcome to this community of great minds. So, shall we? Of great minds. So, I want us to use that and then I want it to display without rush. I want us to use that one that doesn't even show and, that first one doesn't show and. Then this one I want us to increase the duration as well. Let's increase it to 5. The beauty of this app is as you're working, you're seeing what you're doing. So let's do a preview of what we are doing. This is it. Okay, so if we are okay with that, we move on to the next thing. This space is still much. If I'm not putting anything, I will have brought it to the center. But even I can still bring it a bit down. Then, okay, afterwards, I can still say text, Concepts Academy. Concepts Academy. So, you insert, you can bring it down. Now, you can reduce it. Now, I want it to be on a straight line, so I've reduced it reasonably. Can you see? But I don't want it to be this long, so I'll reduce the font size. This is the font size where I am reducing. This is the font size that I am reducing. Now, if you see, it has reduced, so you can bring it. I want it to just be at the corner there. Now, I want to use animation for that one. I don't want that hand to write it. So, where is it coming from? Where is it going to? I can let it do what? I can let it slide in down. So, let's quickly see what we have done. Let's quickly see what we have done. So, like I explained the other time, we are done with this place. Let's go to the next page. I don't want to write much. Let me just write. Let me write some few things. Concepts Academy is a parts of concepts media world, where we speak your mind in graphics and videos. So insert. So that is it. I want to bring it to the center. You use the align. So you position it the way you want it to be. Let me increase the font so that it can be bigger. Okay. So with this, let me use animation. I love using animation most of the time. I don't like it when the hand writes for me. So let's see what we have done. Can we see? So let's quickly do the last one. Let's just put in the word. Let's see. Thank you for joining. Good now. So you bring it down. This is where I want it to be. I want it to be bigger. And I want to increase the fonts. So yes, I forgot to say this. You can also change the font type. This place is where you see the font type. This is the font type, and you can change the color. This is the color. Now I want to change this so that you can see what I'm saying. If I click there, if I click on this box, you see the colors. Let me change the color to this. Will it be fine? And let me change to this. Let me change the color to another thing. Maybe I should change it to green. Let me see. How will it look like? It's still not okay. As I always love using this custom. Let me go to custom. I need to be better. Here it will be better. So I can increase it, and I can increase the font as well. Okay, then I'll bring it to the middle. So I want this and one's animation to come down. Yes. So let's see what we have done. Okay, if we have done that, I think what is left now is to have our background music or underground music. So you click on the music part like I have explained before, and you come here. Let's go and pick one audio track from my phone. Let's go here. Let's go here. Then, okay, I think I have some tunes here. Sure. So, okay. So, let's hear what we have done. Okay, so what is left is to save. Like I explained before, you click on that save icon and you click yes. It has saved successfully. And you render. What name do I want to give it? Welcome. Welcome. So make movie. So it's rendering it, it's making it. Let's see. Okay, it has finished rendering. So let's play movie. Let's see. Okay, I want to play it from gallery. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, or if you are a first time person coming to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to support us and hit the notification button in order to always get our notifications or be the first to know whenever we post new videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you.